Mom, this dinner tastes really good tonight. I love it.
Thank you, honey. I made your favorite because you had a big day.
Ryan deserves a good meal after studying so hard all week.
I studied late at the library too, Dad. I just came home now.
Coming home late does not always mean you worked hard, Ethan.
I was studying all day, and I missed lunch too. Dad, come on. Ethan is tired, and he looks stressed.
Stress is not special. Every man deals with stress in life.
Ethan, after dinner, please clean the table and wash the dishes.
Sure, Mom. I will do it when everyone is finished eating. I also have some news. I got the top rank in the city science fair today.
Oh my God, really? That is wonderful news, sweetheart.
I told you he would make this family proud one day.
Congratulations, Ryan. That is a very good opportunity for you. Thanks, bro. I know you mean that, and I appreciate it.
You should learn from your younger brother, Ethan. He moves forward.
I said congratulations. I am happy for him, okay?
Your words sound polite, but your face never shows respect.
Maybe I am just tired of hearing the same thing.
Please do not start another fight at the dinner table tonight. Ethan, where are you right now? Please answer me quickly.
I am outside the grocery store. What happened, Mom?
It is your father. He fell down at work and collapsed.
What? Is he awake? Is he breathing? Tell me clearly.
The ambulance took him to the hospital 10 minutes ago.
Ethan, just come fast. Mom is crying, and everything feels crazy. I am leaving right now. Which hospital did they take him to? St. Mary's Medical Center. Please hurry. We are already here.
I am on my way now. Do not leave without me.
Are you the family of Robert Parker from Chicago Construction?
Yes, doctor. I am his wife, and these are our sons.
Robert is stable now, but he needs surgery very soon.
Is the surgery dangerous? Or will he be okay after that?
We are doing everything we can, but we need blood first.
Take mine if you need it. I will help him.
We are testing close family members first for a match.
Test me too. I want to help my dad tonight.
Please, doctor, do whatever you need. Just save my husband.
Ethan, could you please come with me for a moment? Me? Did something happen to my father during surgery?
Robert is stable for now, so please do not panic.
Then why do you look so serious right now?
There is something unusual in your blood and DNA report.
I do not understand. What exactly are you trying to say?
Your DNA does not match Robert Parker as his son.
No, that cannot be true. There must be a mistake.
I understand. This is painful, but the result is clear.
Run the test again. Please do the test one more time.
We can repeat it if you want full confirmation.
I do want that. Because this makes no sense.
All right, we will repeat the test right away. Ethan, I am very sorry, but the second result is the same.
So you are telling me this is not a lab mistake?
Yes. The second test also shows no biological relationship with Robert.
I have lived with that man my whole life.
I know this must feel shocking and very painful right now.
My mother would never hide something this big from me.
Sometimes families keep secrets for many years, even decades.
This is insane. I need to talk to them right now.
Please try to stay calm before you speak with them.
Calm is not possible anymore. Not after hearing this. Mom, I need the truth from you right now.
Ethan, this is not the right time for family problems.
The doctor said, Robert is not my biological father. Wait, what are you saying? That makes no sense at all.
Who told you that, and why would they say that?
The doctor told me after 2 different DNA tests.
Ethan, please lower your voice. People are looking at us.
I do not care who is looking at us now.
Ethan, I always wanted to tell you the truth later.
Later? I am 27 years old, Mom. How much later? Your mother made a mistake a long time ago.
Do not say mistake, like that explains everything to me.
Before I married Robert, I was with someone else for a short time.
We gave you food, a house, and a family name.
You also gave me shame, silence, and cold treatment every day. Ethan, I did not know any of this. I swear.
We thought keeping this secret would protect our family.
No, you kept this secret to protect yourselves from truth.
Watch your mouth when you speak to your parents.
You are not my father, so do not say that again.
Grandma once told me she left something for me here. She said, if you ever feel lost, open the blue box. Please, Grandma. I hope you left me something real. For Ethan, if they still hide the truth, what does that mean? Ethan, if you are reading this now, I failed you badly. Robert is not your father, but Linda's story is also false.
Your real father was Michael Parker, Robert's older brother.
Robert's older brother? Then Robert is my uncle?
Michael left money, property, and a trust fund in your name.
No. No. No, this cannot be real.
They hide your identity so they could control your future. They did not just hide the truth. They stole my life. Ethan, Please sit down. I knew this day might come. Then please do not hide anything from me today.
I will not. Your biological father was Michael Parker.
And my real mother was Sarah Parker, right? Yes. They died in a car accident when you were a baby.
So Linda is not my real mother at all.
No, she is not your biological mother, Ethan.
Then why was I raised inside their house like a lie?
Because Michael left a trust fund and property in your name.
How much did he leave for me after he died?
Enough to pay for college, living costs, and a future home.
I worked 2 jobs and skipped college because I was broke.
I know, and that should never have happened to you.
Where did that money go over all these years?
The records show Robert used much of it himself.
Used it for what? Tell me clearly and honestly.
Bills, debts, family costs, Ryan's school, and business problems.
So they spent my money and still treated me like nothing.
I am sorry, Ethan. The papers support exactly that truth.
Thank you, everyone, for coming to celebrate with us tonight.
We are so proud of Ryan and his bright future.
My younger son worked hard and brought honor to this family.
Ethan, I did not know you were coming tonight.
Why are you here after everything that happened last week?
I came because lies should not live another day.
Ethan, please do not do this in front of everyone.
You lied in front of everyone for 20 years already!
Ethan, if something is wrong, we can talk later outside.
No, Ryan. Tonight, everyone will hear the truth clearly.
Who is that woman? And why is she here?
She is the lawyer who knows my real story.
I want both of you out of this house now!
This truth belongs to me, and I will speak tonight.
My name is Ethan Michael Parker, not the lie you gave me.
Robert Parker is not my father. He is my uncle.
What are you saying? Is this some kind of joke? No, this is true, and I have legal proof with me.
Ethan, please stop before you destroy this family forever.
You destroyed this family the day you stole my identity.
Mom? Dad? Is this true? Answer me right now.
We did what we had to do back then.
You did what helped you, not what protected me.
Michael Parker left money and property for Ethan after his death.
Are you saying Robert controlled that money all these years?
Yes, and records show most of that money is gone.
Dad, did you use Ethan's money for my school?
I used that money. I used that money to keep this family alive.
Then why did you always call me weak and useless?
We were scared, Ethan. We did not know what to do.
You always knew what to do. You chose the easy lie.
I did not know any of this, Ethan. I swear to you.
So what do you want now? Money? Revenge? Public shame?
I want the truth. My name and my stolen future back.
Ethan, please give us one chance to explain everything.
You had 20 years to explain, but you chose silence.
After everything we did for you, this is how you act?
You fed me with my father's money and called it love.
Dad, I cannot even look at you right now.
Ryan, please do not turn against us tonight.
You lied to him, and you lied to me too.
I came here to end the lie, not start a fight.
There will be a legal process after tonight.
You would destroy your own family over old papers?
You are not my family. You were my keepers.
Ethan, please do not leave us like this. You left me a long time ago. I just know it now.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. I finally know your names now.
I wish I had found you much earlier in life.
They took your story from me, but they did not win.
I am your son, and I will live in truth now.